insert smart art. Yes. Smart art, this is what is smart art actually. This is one graphical presentation to make our presentation attentive and quite professional. Sometimes we need to use smart art. Smart art, it is nothing, just template, set of templates which have been added up by Excel. By default, we can select to design one graphical presentation. Graphical presentation for what? For pamphlet, posters, or any statistical data, or any list, flowchart, or any process, or anything. Just like, let us see. For inserting any smart art, what we need to do, we have to go to the insert. After that, we have to click on smart art. From smart art, we can select anything. From smart art, here all are available. From here, we are taking one thing, that is, for example, this one. We are inserting this. By inserting smart art, what we getting? We're getting a lot of things are available here. On this particular template, we are getting two functions we are getting. One is to insert picture. Directly, if you click on this icon, then picture you can select either from your files or online. Another one option is available, that is icon is also available. Icon you can add. Here we are taking one picture from online source and randomly we are choosing anything. For example, this one. Sorry, picture cannot be displayed. Online source is quite complicated, but other picture we can try to understand. Then what we need to do, select here and go to online pictures. In case of online pictures, select anything. For example, this one. It has been placed. It has been placed in which way? As it was defined by the template. As per template, it has been fixed. Here another one thing, you can add any text. Text you can add. What you need to do, you need to go to the if you want to add any, here three boxes are available. For example, you want to add more boxes, then what you need to do, see, after clicking on the smart art, dedicated 2 tabs have been created by default. One is smart art design, one is, if you go to smart art design, then to add any box or any block, then go to here, add shape, and as per your position, for example, before the selected, before selected, here it was selected and we are adding before it. See, one by one adding. For what? Because we are adding some of the blocks. So in this way you may design the shapes to make your presentation. Yes, one by one it will be added. Sorry. And if you want to add, here text box is available, but here it is not available. So if you want to add text box, what you need to do, go to insert, and from there you may select from here one text box, and you may give any text. For removing background, what you need to do, select the shapes and go to format. Sorry, select the shape, go to the shapes format and shapes fill, no fill. And to make this same color, what you need to do, you can write something here and select this format painter. Format painter is not, so you have to see this color and everything, you have to see once, and you have, or you can select this, sorry, just one. You have to select or by right click you can add. Right click on picture. What you need to do, for getting same format, you have to right click on this shapes and right click and edit text. You have to edit text. many ticks. Okay. So in this way, shapes can be worked.